removed everything from this wall. These are the bookmarks that will go inside this box, along with a few other supplies. Now that everything is organized, it's time to decorate this wall. This is the inspiration I'm following. I'm not decorating the whole wall today, I'm just making this display board. I looked at a few more designs for ideas. Here's all the material I'll be using. First, I'm going to cover the board with chart paper. Then I'll decorate the borders with this lace. I also have some decorations that I saved when I removed everything from the wall. Let's start putting everything on the board. I have these stickers too, so I'll use them as well. Now let's attach the lace around the border. And here's the final look.